Judge Vanderbeek Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of Mr. Daniels.
Okay. You all may be seated. Mr. Daniels.
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
All right, everyone. Court is now in session. The judge takes the bench, and stepping forward is Mr. Daniel. But this isn't your typical courtroom scene. He's not here to defend himself or dodge responsibility. He's here by choice, voluntarily requesting to be placed on child support. A move so uncommon, it immediately shifts the energy in the room. The judge nods, signaling the start of the hearing. The room quiets, but tension hums beneath the surface. And then, a twist. The child's mother is a no-show. Her absence casts a long shadow, raising eyebrows and sparking questions. Where is she? And more importantly, why isn't she here? This case goes far beyond dollars and cents. It's about a man owning his role as a father, choosing to support his child without being forced. But with the mother's absence, the path forward just got more tangled. Stay tuned, because what happens next could change everything.
Yeah, I brought my case because I'm trying to file child support on myself to make sure that my child is getting the benefits that it needs, because the mother doesn't seem to be taking care of the responsibilities.
I mean, obviously not. She didn't even have the audacity to show up for court today. And I see that you did send her notice of that.
I did.
Okay. It's very different when people come in, and well, guys in particular come in to put themselves on child support. Like, what's the backstory between you and mom? Have y'all ever been married?
I tried to get married. I tried to do everything right.
Okay.
She chose to be out in the streets, so I'm just trying to.
What do you mean by chose to be out in the streets?
Chose to being somewhere other than the house.
Okay.
So, yeah.
She party a lot, do all those things?
Well, I don't know where she's at, so I don't know what she does.
Do you communicate with her at all?
When it comes to money.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why.
You have a son or a daughter?
I have a son.
Do you get to see your son?
On the weekends, but it's rare. We have a lot of conflict going on. Again, she's not here, so this is why I'm bringing this to court.
Mr. Daniel steps forward, ready to speak his truth. He isn't here because the system forced his hand. He's here because he believes his child deserves consistent, reliable support. In his words, the child's mother hasn't been holding up her end of the responsibility, and her absence in court today. That silence says more than words ever could. The judge leans in, asking for context. Mr. Daniels explains they were never married, but he's always tried to do right by his child. He took the high road, even when she didn't. There's frustration in his voice, sure, but more than that, there's focus, purpose, and conviction. This isn't about revenge. It's about his son. The tension in the room is unmistakable. But what cuts through it all is the fact that Mr. Daniels made this move on his own. He filed for child support against himself. A rare step and a powerful one. It speaks volumes about his character. This is more than a legal proceeding. It's a father taking a stand, making sure his child's future isn't left to chance. And no matter who's missing from the courtroom, Mr. Daniels showed up. Loud and clear.
Okay, so you do understand how child support works, right? It's based on a calculation based on the amount of money that you make.
I'm third string, so I don't make that much.
What does that mean, your third string?
I'm not making a lot of money right now in the Arena Football League that I play in, so I'm trying to come to court because I want my child taken care of, but I can't take a major hit because I have to take care of myself as well.
Okay, so it's based on the calculation. So whatever amount of money that you make, that's what your child support is going to be set at. No matter if you were third string, first string, second string, I don't know how many strings it go up to. It's based on your calculation.
Okay.
So how much money do you make a year?
Around 67.
Okay, and you only have one child?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so 67,000. Well, let me ask you this: who pays health insurance?
I pay it.
Okay, how much is your health insurance?
Around 120.
120. Okay. And let me see. You turned in some documents here. Looks like your health insurance is actually 130. Okay. 130. You're shorting yourself $10 because the health insurance amount, I mean, she's not here obviously to dispute it or whatnot, but you get a credit for carrying the child on your health insurance.
Okay.
Okay.
The judge shifts the focus, moving into the financial details. She asks Mr. Daniels about his income and whether he's providing health insurance for his child. Without hesitation, Mr. Daniels opens up. He's not making much at the moment. As a third-string player in the Arena Football League, his paycheck is limited, inconsistent, and unpredictable. The judge listens carefully, then delivers a straightforward response. Child support is calculated based on income, she explains, no exceptions. Your job title doesn't change the math. But here's the catch. Mr. Daniels' commitment to providing health insurance for his child earns him a small credit, reducing his overall child support obligation. This is more than just a calculation, it's a moment of clarity. The judge breaks down the numbers with precision, offering a clear and educational view of how the system operates. Her tone is firm yet fair. She isn't here to punish. She's here to ensure the child's needs come first. With her no-nonsense approach, the judge leaves no room for confusion or misunderstanding. The message is clear. Child support isn't about the parent's struggles or statuses. It's about ensuring the child's well-being.
So, based on that, giving you credit for the health insurance, your gross comes out to $5,470. Your net of that after taxes come out is $4,357.28 for a child support amount of $871.46. Okay?
Okay.
You have any other questions about that?
Are you single?
Well, no.
Okay.
But I don't think that has anything to do with why you're here.
Oh, well, I don't have a good baby mother. I was.
So you want to make me a baby mama? That's what you're telling me?
No, I wasn't trying to make you a baby mother. I was just seeing if you were available to help.
Well, I'm available for my next case. So if there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
All right, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
The judge delivers her decision. Mr. Daniels' child support is officially set at $871.46 per month, calculated based on his current income and his contribution to the child's health insurance. It's not up for debate. This amount is firmly tied to the numbers, and the judge makes it clear. The system's goal is to serve the child's best interests. Mr. Daniels absorbs the news quietly. There's a noticeable weight in his expression. He's processing how to juggle his own financial needs while ensuring his child is cared for. But he doesn't contest the ruling. He came to court to take responsibility, and that's exactly what he's done. Before dismissing the court, the judge lightens the mood with a quick joke about finding him a good baby mother. The room laughs, but beneath the humor, there's truth. This case isn't just about money. It's about showing up, stepping up for your child, and understanding the long, shared journey of co-parenting ahead. Mr. Daniels leaves the courtroom with a sense of resolve. He knows he did the right thing. The judge, with her steady hand, leaves everyone with a powerful takeaway. Parenting is as much about financial responsibility as it is about love and care. Both sides matter. Now, let's take a closer look from a legal perspective. What truly makes this case stand out is Mr. Daniels' decision to voluntarily place himself on child support. This move is rare, but it deserves real recognition. Legal experts say that taking this proactive step can prevent major issues later on, like back payments or drawn-out legal babbles. More importantly, it guarantees that the child's financial needs are taken seriously right from the start. This case serves as a powerful reminder. Child support is not just a legal obligation. It's a symbol of responsibility and care. It's about stepping up, not because you have to, but because it's the right thing to do. Even though the mother didn't attend, the court kept its focus where it counts, on the child's best interests. The judge's decision, firm but fair, showed how the legal system can support responsible, proactive parenting and highlight the importance of fathers taking ownership. The video wraps up with a call to action, inviting viewers to share their own experiences and subscribe for more content that dives deep into real courtroom moments and the valuable lessons they reveal. Because in the end, understanding the system is essential for protecting your child's future.